Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes without an oven. This unique method relies on steaming, which is a fantastic alternative to traditional baking. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to create perfectly moist and fluffy cupcakes right on your stovetop. We'll cover everything from preparing your batter to the final steaming process, ensuring you get delightful results every single time. Get ready to enjoy homemade treats without ever turning on your oven. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1 large egg. Don't forget 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder for that perfect rise. For equipment, grab a large pot with a tight-fitting lid, and either a steaming rack or several small, heat-safe bowls to hold your cupcake liners. Now for the exciting part, steaming your cupcakes. First, pour about 2 inches of water into your large pot and bring it to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Carefully place your cupcake liners, filled about 2/3 full with batter, onto the steaming rack inside the pot. Cover the pot tightly with its lid and let them steam for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean when they are ready. Once your cupcakes are perfectly steamed, carefully remove them from the pot and let them cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial for them to set properly. While they cool, whip up your favorite frosting, perhaps a classic vanilla buttercream or a tangy cream cheese frosting. Once cooled, generously frost each cupcake. These delightful, oven-free treats are best enjoyed fresh, offering a wonderfully moist texture and rich flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.